An authentic cadence is a cadence from 5 to 1, that is, the dominant to the tonic. The 5 could also be altered to make it a 5-7 chord, which we'll talk about in Module 2 of this course. Authentic cadences are generally classified as either perfect or imperfect. The phrase perfect cadence is sometimes used as a synonym for authentic cadence, especially in British music theory systems. You may also hear or see the term full cadence. Perfect authentic cadence, PAC. Here is what's called a perfect authentic cadence on its own in C major. The fact that the top note of the last chord is scale degree 1 and the fact that both the 5 and 1 are in root position is why we call it perfect. It's the most conclusive possible ending. Think of this one as a musical exclamation point. Here's a bit of context, this time in C minor, from Beethoven's famous Pathetique Piano Sonata's third movement. The last two chords form a perfect authentic cadence. You can also abbreviate this PAC. Imperfect authentic cadence, IAC. The imperfect authentic cadence is basically any other 5 to 1 cadence that doesn't fit the definition of a PAC. So the chords may not be in root position, the top note of the 1 chord may not also be scale degree 1, and so on. Generally, these won't sound as strong as a PAC, but can be useful when you want musical punctuation that isn't as strong as an exclamation point. You could think of an IAC as functioning like a semicolon, a colon, or a period in the middle of a multi-sentence paragraph. Here's an IAC on its own in C major.